A very good day, my dear students. Today we'll start a new unit, that is our email messaging. Let us see. So student, we are starting a new unit, that is email messaging. What do you mean by email? Email is what? Email is electronic mail. Okay. So electronic mail is widely used in internet based communication tool. Okay, we use email for what? We use email for communication. Okay, so email refers to electronic mail as said, and email is a communication system that sends and receives messages through the internet by using specific email address or email IDs. Now here, like, see how the email, what is the email address? Like info at the rate, like, see, this is the email address .com. It could be the email address. Now email system is managed by mail servers. There are so many mail servers available on the internet, such as Yahoo Mail, Gmail, Hotmail, Rediff Mail, and so on. Through email we can send any type of information such as text messages and anything else. Okay, now there are various advantages of emails, like we can send or receive email very fast. Email is affordable. Okay, sending and receiving email is very easy and convenient. Within a second we can send. Okay, now there are various features of emails are as follows, like email can be sent to one person or more than one person at the same time, right? Now the recipient of email can open the email at his or her own convenience. There is no restriction that right now only you need to open it. Right now the messages are transmitted electronically over internet and in a faster way. Within a second you can get your email messages. Okay, email messages can be sent or received at any time and are typically sent over a network. Now next is here, like, it is, if so desired, a copy of email message has the sender and has sent to saved in sender computer's email account for later reference as well. Now here you can get one more information, like if you want to send more than one recipient, then you can hide the details of that particular recipient. The person could not see that whomsoever you have sent those particular mail IDs. Okay, now postal letter is sent to a postal address, and email is sent in a email address. Email address is much shorter. Now postal letter is normally put by a postman, but here the email is being sent by you and received in a second. It takes a very less time for getting our email. Now email services, there are two kinds of email. Now first one is our application based. Email is installed on user computer, and a mail is stored on user's computer. Then some of the examples like Microsoft Outlook, Mozilla Thunderbird, Foxmail, Opera, etc. And one is your web-based email, and email can be accessed by user from any internet connected computer anywhere in the world. And like Gmail is there, Yahoo, and major thing. Now there is one format is available in email, like from, to, date, subject, CC. Here what does it mean? From means the sender email address, to means the recipient email address, date is what, when the email was sent, subject, the you need to write that some topic of the message, that what does this email is related to. Now CC is the carbon copy to whomsoever the particular mail to be sent, and BCC is a blank carbon copy. This is also a carbon copy, but the email other person could not be able to see that whomsoever you have sent that particular mail. Next is your message body. Message body is what the actual email in detail is being stored there. Attachment is what, some attached file or any folder, any files to be attached over there. Okay, next is creating an email account. How you could be able to create an email account? For that you need to access a browser, any browser you can access. Then you need to type like I want to create my account using a Gmail. So you will do what? You will type www.gmail.com. You need to click on create account option, and then the registration form will appear. You need to fill all your registration details in that, and then you will get a congratulation message, and now you are okay to move to an email account and log in your email. Next is your, after creating an email you can use it and send and receive your mail. Next one is how to create an email account using an outlook.com. Outlook is also an email service, just like in Gmail part. Just you need to follow some steps, like you need to open a browser, like any browser you can open. Then you need to type it, like www.outlook.com, and then click on create free account option is available, create free account option. And when you will click on create free account option, the page will be open. You need to create the you need to fill all your major details, whatever it will be asked. Outlook is basically being developed by a Microsoft. Okay, and you need to fill all the details like birth details, and all details will be asked, and then you need to click on next. After that, you are ready to work on Outlook, and you can send your messages through Outlook. Okay, next, link email address to email application. We have learned how to create email account over two of the most popular web-based email. Now you can use an email application installed on a computer to access and manage your emails without having to go to email service site. Now there are various advantages of using an email application, such you can access your mails in various mail folders offline too. Okay, after creating, you can access those in your own computer. Okay, now how to open those MS Outlook? If you want to open MS Outlook, you need to follow some of the steps to open MS Outlook. Now, like, you need to double click on the shortcut key of MS Outlook icon, then click start, then all program, then Microsoft Office 2013, and then Microsoft Office Outlook. When you will click on Microsoft Office Outlook, you can see the email address is being asked. You need to click on file tab, then add account. You need to add your account, and you are ready to work on what in MS Outlook. So this is all about. We will learn the further session in our next class. Thank you, students.